Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be reviewing and swatching the Kaleidos Futurism 7 Shimi City eyeshadow palette. This is the 7th palette out of his 7 palette series. This is his 6th eyeshadow pan palette that retails for $24. The palette was released on September 15 and it's available now at kaleidosmakeup.com. In this palette you get 7 mattes and 2 shimmers / metallics. These are 6 full-size eyeshadows in a cardboard packaging. The palette has a magnetic closure with a good quality mirror. When I did my swatches for the palette, the 4 mattes were soft and pigmented. They all swatched evenly without any issues. The mattes in the palette blended smoothly without any issues when using a blending brush. For the 2 shimmers, both were gorgeous and one is the dual chrome shade. Both were creamy and pigmented. So overall, this palette I definitely recommend. If you like the color story, I didn't have any issues with any of the eyeshadows. The only con I would give this palette is that I wish they would have made the 2 matte browns a little bit more different from each other. Aside from that, this is my favorite palette out of the 7. I definitely recommend buying these palettes in their bundles to save some money. This palette was sent to me for free in PR, but I'm not getting paid to film this video, and everything said is my true honest opinion. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.